Welcome to BibleWorks. We'd like to introduce you to the BibleWorks user interface. The BibleWorks user interface gives you quick access to the program's features, and its windows are arranged in the order to study the Bible. Begin your study of the Bible with the search window. The search window contains the command line, a powerful tool for navigating verses and conducting searches in BibleWorks. You can locate the verses for study by entering the book, chapter, and verse on the command line and hitting enter. Or you can search for words when you enter a control character, such as the period, and the word that you wish to search for. Then hit enter. The results of your search display in the results verse list in the lower portion of the search window. Once you locate a verse to study, you can then display it in the Browse window. The Browse window allows you to read and examine the verse in more detail. Examination of the verse can be done with the Analysis window. The Analysis window provides an array of tools for you to analyze words and verses in the tabs that can be clicked on for display. Each tab gives you quick access to tools for analysis and resources that are key to words or verses that you are studying in the Search and Browse windows. The Analysis window has the option to display two tabs at the same time by clicking on this red button in the upper right corner of the Analysis window. Click on a tab to display it with another tab of your choosing, or you can drag tabs from one column to the other. And then click on the large red button again to return the Analysis window to a single column display. The Search, Browse, and Analysis windows have buttons with options specific to that portion of the program. Or you can right-click in a window to display a context menu that offers an array of options for that portion of the program. You can do so on any Search window tab, on the command line, in the results verse list. In the Browse window, there are different options for right-clicking on a word in a translation, or on a Greek or Hebrew word. And most of the Analysis window tabs have their own right-click context menu options as well. The menu bar in BibleWorks offers the most comprehensive collection of tools, options, and features for the program. Click on View and you have Browse window display options. The Search menu is a means of accessing many search options and tools. The Tools menu gives you access to study and analysis tools. Resources groups electronic books, reference materials, and additional tools for study. And Help is a great place to find help, how-to videos, and copyright and bibliographic information. Immediately below, the button bar gives you quick access to major BibleWorks tools. Hold your mouse cursor over a button for a quick hit that identifies the tool, and click the button to open the tool. The status bar at the bottom of BibleWorks gives you access to several program features and also functions as buttons if you double-click them with your mouse. For example, you have your current search version displayed here, and if you double-click it, it opens a window to choose the search version. Double-click Limits and it opens the Search Limits window. Double-click Strong's and it displays Strong's numbers in any of these versions. Double-click Browse and it changes the display of the Browse window to single version mode or back to multiple version mode. Double-click Analysis and it toggles the Analysis window off, or double-click it again and it toggles the Analysis window back on. When you wish to learn more about a tool, window, or button, hold your mouse cursor over that tool and hit the F1 key. The F1 key works for the buttons in BibleWorks, portions of the windows, or any open tool in BibleWorks. To learn more about the functions of the main windows in BibleWorks, we invite you to view the Getting Started videos, accessible from the links on the main page of the Getting Started screen. To find videos that demonstrate everyday tasks and the tools of BibleWorks, click on the How-To Videos link, or the option for How-To Videos under Help on the main menu. In the How-To Videos screen, click the arrows to the left of each topic to view the available videos for that topic. As you're working with BibleWorks, don't forget the right-click context menus and F1 key. They will assist you in finding the tools and help you need for efficient and effective study. And now click on the Home button above to return to the window from which you started.